Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Spend the day with me. It's Aulia here, and you're walking with the walkers. I have to clean my son's room. It is a hot mess, and as you see, it's a hot mess. If your room is clean and nice, your kid's room, that's amazing. My kid's is not. Boom, this room is clean now. We got the floors mopped, the bed changed, and believe it or not, this toy bin is organized and clean, but you know, it kind of still looks a little bit crazy, and that's okay. But yeah, this room is clean now, and these were the couple of bags that I had after cleaning his room. I had about 3, some filled with clothes, some filled with toys, and some filled with just trash. You know, that has to go to the trash bin. Yeah, so here I was, and then we got dressed, we got into the shower, and now we're getting ready to go to the vet because I had to go pick up my dog's pills because he just has a bad time going to the vet. I threw my hair up into a pineapple, and we're going to keep it pushing. And I did have to actually send off some Mother's Day cards, and yes, this is the same day as Mother's Day. Y'all, I am trying to get better. It's going to get better. We are going to do better. If you are anything like me, I have just a hard time sending anything off into the mail in general. It's a problem. I don't really know what my problem is, but we're gonna get better. Okay, we're gonna get better. So I have to send a couple of pictures to my grandmother, my mom, and my mother-in-law. And so here I am. I'm just trying to get these letters together, trying to write the names, the addresses. It took me forever to get stamps. Why does it take me so long to get stamps? I felt like I was running around trying to find stamps. That's probably why it takes me so long to send stuff, because I'm like, where can I find stamps at? So I went to the ATM at one point in time. My husband was like, oh, you can go to the ATM, like go to the bank, you can get stamps. Boom, went to the ATM, definitely couldn't get stamps there. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, I don't know what happened, but I couldn't get stamps. So then I went ahead and I went to Kroger, and I went to the help desk person, and she helped me out, and she grabbed me some stamps. It was $13 just for like a little thing of stamps. Maybe it was more, I'm not sure. I went ahead and put the envelopes inside of these manila envelopes because they had pictures inside of them, and I didn't want them to bend all up because these pictures were mad expensive. Also, why are pictures so expensive? I don't really know, but that's what I had to do, and it is what it is. It's all good. We're gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna go ahead to the vet and grab his pills. So we grabbed those, and we got him situated because he had a vet appointment coming up. And then we're gonna go ahead and get RJ's glasses fixed. Yes, because this little man, he keeps breaking his glasses. The people in the eye doctor place, they said that he must be taking off his glasses with one hand, and that's the problem. So now we have his glasses fixed. So now my baby can see again. Yes, child, we are all good to go. Boom. So yeah, there we go. His glasses are all done. And then we have to do some laundry. It's always laundry. Always laundry. If it's not laundry, it's folding laundry. If it's not folding laundry, it's putting the laundry into the washer. If it's not putting it into the washer, it's putting it into the dryer. So yeah, so now I had to have myself a little lunch breaks because I was hungry, y'all. Oh, and this tea, we got this tea from Sam's Club. This tea is bomb. This honey citron ginger tea, really, really good. It actually has like the lemon flakes inside of them, the lemon rind. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna have myself a leftover sandwich, some watermelon, and my tea. We're gonna watch Love Island because that's my jam. Yeah, we're gonna get to folding some laundry too, you guys, because again, if it's not laundry, it's laundry. I'm tired. When I say I'm tired, I'm tired. She don't want to. She does not want, but we have to. Don't we have to? Okay, yeah. So let's get going on this one, okay, you guys. So yeah, I'm folding my laundry, and I had so much laundry. But these are all the white clothes. And what I like to do is I like to use my husband's leftover, white t-shirts, and I just use them for my daughter and I and our hair. And so this is what I'm doing now. It's just I'm gonna get those all folded and rolled up, and then we're gonna go keep it pushing from there. y'all. So it was time to take a quick break and go get the first kiddo off of the bus. And I'm just throwing on my shoes real quick, and then we're gonna get ready to get out the door. And it was raining. So y'all already know I had to run for my life. I don't know. Apparently, I think if the rain touches me, I'm going to melt because I am brown sugar. So we're just gonna melt. I had to run for my life. Run to the car, girl. Okay. So after that, I get into the car, get my first kiddo off the bus. There she goes, going to the house. And honestly, I was gonna go into the house, but by the time my son was getting off the bus, it was like a 10-minute turnover. And again, I was not going to run through the rain. So I was like, let me just sit here in my driveway. And by the time I need to go get my son, it'd be about 10 minutes after this. So after that, I drove up to the destination where I needed to go to get my son off of the bus. And I went ahead and got him off the bus. And we called it good. Here he is chilling on his tablet as I put the laundry away. And it's gearing up to be the end of the school year, you guys. So I'm here not even trying to give any. I'm not trying to give any. Get on your tablet and chill while I finish putting the rest of the laundry away, okay? Because it's about that time, you know? So I actually put all these clothes on the hanger, and it's another thing that I'm not too good at, but I'm trying to be better. Adulting sometimes, y'all. Adulting sometimes is hard, but we have to do it. We have to do it, okay? We have to get it done, you know? It's life, you know? So I'm just lifing right now. I'm doing that mom situation, and we're going to keep it pushing, okay? So now, yeah, it's time for dinner. And so I'm making some chicken wings, and they came all together, and I did cut them up. I did, of course, wash the chicken. Wash your chicken. I didn't realize that people were not washing their chicken. I grew up washing my chicken. Like, we couldn't eat the chicken unless it was washed. Like, I don't know. It surprised me that people weren't washing their chicken. But anyway, season up the chicken, salt, pepper. I put some olive oil inside of there. I put some garlic powder, onion powder, you know, just season it up real good. I also did put some barbecue sauce on it, and I'm just letting it marinate for a minute, getting it all situated and good to go. After that, let's pop that into the oven. And then I have that lower rack there. It's chicken for my daughter. She does not like too much like sauce. She likes it kind of just like straight and cut and to the point. And yes, we're going to be doing this Normandy vegetable blend. Get your vegetables where you can get your vegetables, okay? Sometimes it's fresh, sometimes it's not, and that is okay. You know what I'm saying? But at least you're having your vegetables, right? So yeah, throw these frozen vegetables into a pan and keep it pushing, all right? I did grab some pasta from out of the fridge. It was leftover pasta that we had throughout the week. Find the leftover pasta, put it into a pan, into a cast iron. I put some sauce on top of it. There goes some ricotta cheese. Once you season up ricotta cheese, it's delicious. It might not look like a lot going on right now, but trust me, once this all fried up and has that cheese inside of it, you season it, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, whatever seasoning to your liking, and you get that mixed all up, it's going to be absolutely delicious. It's like an oven topped baked ziti for real, you know what I'm saying? So it was really good in my opinion. So yeah, it was really nice. And this is what the finished product looked like. It's, you know, it's pasta with some ricotta cheese and some cheese, more cheese on top of cheese. Baked the wings up and stuff like that. I like my wings baked hard. I don't like them to be light skinned or anything like that. And as you see, it's only one piece of broccoli and one piece of carrot because my kids be tripping. So that was dinner. My husband and I actually had double veggies. We had some chicken, we had that broccoli, and then we had some leftover broccoli. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.